Right guys, welcome to the video. You join us with a beautiful 911. We got this in for a few various blisters and dents and paint repairs and things like that. Yeah, that went out the window, and now we're doing a bare metal respray on the whole car because it's sort of turned into painting more than half of it. So ultimately, do it once, do it right, do it the best way, the most economical way in the long run, and do the whole thing. So the guys have quite literally exploded a 911 everywhere, and working our way through stripping it down and getting it ready. So yeah, Tom's quite excited for this one.
Yeah.
As far as I'm aware.
Yeah. Chris just knocked some stuff over, don't worry about it. Yeah. It's German, it's over-engineered. Had to move lots of things you wouldn't think you'd have to move to take stuff off, but it's basically all done now. We just need to take these wings off. Apparently they're like panel bonded or some sort of glued from a factory. So down here, there's like a kind of glue joint, so about to run some line down there, try and disconnect it so we can attack all bits, get everything kind of sealed up and rust prevented.
Oh, these have been put on post-paint. Like,
yeah, maybe.
I'm just looking down here, you got like,
well, it's had
spot welds.
Yeah, it's had a few paint. Wait, what? On the wing?
Someone's been here before. Look. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but that's not.
That's for the wing, no?
No, that's not the wing.
Oh.
So if you look in the gutter, the wing and the gutter aren't like together.
Yeah, yeah. No.
Yeah. But that's where the bolt for the wing goes through. But anyway, long and short of it, we're taking it apart and going to get the panels blasted and find where any little bits of rot is. Like there's little like bubbles and stuff. Just rust treatment where needed, weld in where needed, and get her nice and beautiful, all finished in guards red, 2K, so straight gloss like original. And yeah, it's gonna be lovely. You're gonna get the glass out and everything, a proper job. So all excited and yeah.
No rush for it either, is there, Tom?
No rush at all, mate.
No rush.
Never is. No, everyone's always really happy to like just wait. I found. So like I've never felt like the need to get things done quickly. You know what I mean? So that's always positive.
So when I leant over the mezzanine this morning and said, "Tom, could you get that Porsche done before June?"
Yeah.
And he was like, "Yeah, no problem."
Yeah.
I think he still feels the same.
Yeah, still feel that way, definitely.
Yeah, very confident.
No, it'll be fine. Honestly though, it's a small car. It's like a more pretty MX-5. That's a lot harder to take apart.
It's a Beetle, isn't it? Really?
Yeah. Nothing a bit of red can't fix.
Okie dokie, so the time has come to send the Econoline off for tuning. Now, we both know that this ran not very well when we got it, if at all. So we've managed to figure a few things out, got some vacuum lines hooked up where they should be, adjusted fuel pressure, adjusted idle, things like that. Just tidied up some loose ends, really. And it now idles and runs, and you can move it and drive it and use it. But yeah, it's not where it should be. So we're leaving it to the professionals, really. In this case, hybrid tune up and I. So we're about to get it loaded up onto our good friend Squeaky's low loader. Shout out Jason, owner of the C10, for organising and helping us out here. So it's a big day, really, and hopefully, fingers crossed, touch wood, any wood, yeah, this comes back and yeah, runs and ultimately drives, performs like it should. And there's a couple of other things that we've sort of found, through some further investigation, as usual with these sort of things, but we're really getting through a list of jobs on this now, and this one should be the biggest tick. So fingers crossed this all goes well, and we'll hear back from Hybrid Tunes soon enough. But in the meantime, yeah, we've done an awful lot to this, so yeah, hopefully it pays off. I mean, Chris has walked you guys through most of what he's done, but yeah, I mean, new wheel bearings in the back, pulled the sleeves out of the axles, rebuilt the brakes, shimmed them properly. They weren't at all even remotely put together right, which is just so bizarre. Yeah, like I say, hooked up all the vacuums, put a exhaust manifold gasket on because it didn't have one, which it's been this kind of a project, you know, where you sort of think like, right, okay, well, you need an exhaust manifold gasket. So we did that, and then did all the studs as well, and they were, yeah, just sort of angle grinder cut, roughly shoved in, sort of jobby. So yeah, got actual BMW manifold studs and nuts, new set, manifold gasket, put everything back where it should be, which, yeah, so that's a lot better. Doesn't have a exhaust leak anymore and doesn't feel like you're being suffocated. So that's always a huge positive when driving a car, is that you don't get carbon monoxide poisoning. So huge win. Yeah, new gear knob. The other one was super glued on, so we yeah, swiftly sorted that out. New tablet, synced up all the ECU communication stuff for the Max ECU, and got a proper mount for it as well. Took it on a test drive. Yeah, we've got, like I say, a few more things to sort out suspension and wheels wise, just to do with a bit of rubbing and yeah, overall sort of drivability of it. But realistically, we're there. So I'll stop talking. We can cut to a montage of some sound clips and us loading it up, and yeah, it goes up from here and gets exciting, hopefully, fingers crossed. You know what? These are weirdly quite attractive without headlights in them. I don't know why.
It's big intake.
Yeah, man, just big single turbo. It's a very nicely presented car, just needs some TLC. And deal with things properly, do them once, do them right. It's like a nursery rhyme. I would
For sure.
unbolt that bracket, because
sure.
that's what holds the neck in place.
Top the neck out.
And and then lift, when you take the wing off, that will lift this grommet over the neck of the...
I'm confused of why they've made this look like this isn't part of the wing. But this is part of the wing, this bit through.
that bit. Yeah.
There's like a seam.
Yeah, no, it's part of the wing. Don't know what... Elastic bands and retaining pins.
Porsche elastic band, isn't it?
Doesn't look branded.
Weird.
OEM.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Money. Okay. Now you want me to pull it this way? Or are we trying to take it out that way? Oh, fuel does smell, doesn't it?
Just
on camera. Dude, there's no mics.
Can you?
Right?
There's one right there.
Oh, fuck. This whole time. Let Daddy give it a yank.
God.
Don't clip that either.
Too late.
The most suspicious toilet was around. Sweet.
Oh, is there a bolt?
You just have to big bro me on camera.
I didn't. I said him not to clip it. It wasn't on purpose.
Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Really hope you enjoyed. Yeah, this is quite exciting for us. We love a Porsche, beautiful car, and yeah, we're really looking forward to getting this one through the workshop and yeah, having undergone some Concours Classics full treatment, really. And a great car, great taste. Can't wait to put our label on it. So really appreciate you guys watching the video, as always, and take care. Look after yourselves, and we'll see you guys in the next one.